Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be on Amazon Pay. I want to bring as many options as I possibly can to my platform to let you all know what's out there in case you'd like to know for your online business. And so there's a lot of people that follow me that are either entrepreneurs or are aspiring entrepreneurs. And so I thought this video was really appropriate. Just because, like I mentioned, I want you to know what options are available to you. So I've done a video before about using, I don't know if it was Amazon Pay or I don't know. I'm trying to think because I know I did a video before touching on Amazon, but it wasn't through this link necessarily, I don't believe. But I'm going to be doing a video today just explaining how Amazon Pay works and how it may be beneficial for you and your customers. I believe before my video was geared towards enabling or adding like your products from your website to Amazon. And this video is going to be geared towards allowing your customers to go to your existing website and just check out using Amazon Pay. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So, like I mentioned, I'm going to be going over Amazon Pay. You may be asking yourself, what is Amazon Pay? Well, Amazon Pay is an option that your customers can select at checkout if this is something that you decide to offer. And it has some good benefits with allowing your customers to just go ahead and check out through Amazon Pay. And we're going to be getting into those benefits a little bit later in the video. So on the screen, you can kind of see like a little portion of what it will look like if you do enable Amazon Pay. So pretty much at the checkout portion of your online store, once your customers have added their products to the cart, and you have an option for my store, my customers have an option to either check out through Sezzle, which is a buy now, pay later option. I have made videos on that. So if you are interested in offering a buy now, pay later solution for your online store, check out my business playlist. And then also I'll try to link a link down below this video where if you do want to offer buy now, pay later options for your business, you can do so through the link. So check out Sezzle down below if you are interested. And then I also offer PayPal. So customers can either select Sezzle or PayPal. Now, through Amazon Pay, if I was to enable this, they would have an option to click Amazon as well, Amazon Pay. Now, if you do want to allow your customers to check out using their Amazon Pay, then you'll fill out the information that is under Merchant Start Here. So you'll fill out your first name, your last name, your business email. While we're on business email, just for a second, if you don't have a business email, I think it's really important to obtain one, or at least consider obtaining one. It really helps to provide a more professional image and look and feel for your business. And I did purchase my business email through GoDaddy, and the email is through Outlook. So if you are interested in a business email, then you can obtain one. There's different places that you can go, but I did obtain mine through GoDaddy. You'll also put in your website URL, so your website address. So for me, I would put in badchickhair.com. And then you'll also select the e-commerce platform that you do want to use. So once you click that arrow at the bottom of the screen, you'll get an option to choose which e-commerce site or platform you're using. Now, one of the reasons that I strongly recommend Shopify, as you can see, I went ahead and populated that into that box there, so you can see Shopify on the screen. But one of the reasons that I do recommend Shopify is because Shopify allows you to integrate with so many different applications, and it allows you to really customize the store or your website to how you want it to be. Shopify also provides many perks as far as different like funding options. They offer different themes that are really cool. They offer different chat options. So Shopify offers so many great tools and perks. If you don't have Shopify, click the link down below, choose the plan that works best for you, and there may even be a free trial. So here I'm going to just touch on the highlighted points that Amazon Pay is going over. So partner with a proven winner of customer trust. 91% of Amazon Pay customers say they would use Amazon Pay again. Simplified checkout, so use of customers' Amazon account information minimizes clicks. This is huge. When customers are going to your website to shop for anything, customers, number one, a lot of customers want to make sure that your website is first legitimate. They want to make sure that if they spend this money, they're actually going to receive the product that they ordered in return. They also want to make sure that their experience is seamless. I don't know if you've ever gone to a website where it seems like you literally have to jump through so many hoops, you have to click so many things in order to just check out. A lot of customers don't like that. Even if it's a seamless process up until you get to checkout, but then when you check out, there's so much information you have to put in, you may start to notice more abandoned carts. So having a button that customers can seamlessly click on and check out is really going to be beneficial. So also another perk is Rest Easy with advanced fraud prevention. An active base of online shoppers helps reduce decline handling and fraud risk. So one thing that I always recommend you do if you are considering adding a different payment method to your online store is to do your research. I do come to you all and I share with you different options that are available, and I do pretty much like an overview. If I've used the product or the service, I'll let you know my experience, but I still recommend that you do research. Why? Because what works for one may not work for all. There's a lot of different payment options out there that are really, really beneficial, but I have to make sure that it aligns with my business, with my vision, and what I'm comfortable with, and also what's in the best interest of my customers. So you do want to make sure that you're familiarizing yourself with how their fraud detection works. You want to make sure that you're also researching how their refund or return policy works. I mean, you want to make sure that you're looking at all of that information. So what I mean by that is because with Amazon Pay, you won't necessarily have your products on Amazon. A customer can go to your Shopify website and check out using Amazon Pay, so paying with their information through Amazon. However, if a customer wanted to dispute the transaction through Amazon, because that's the way that the payment method that they selected, how does that work for your store? Are you going to be able to provide information? What information do you have to provide? How long is the dispute process? Is it an automatic return of funds to the customer or to your client until they, get all of the information from you? You just want to make sure that you are aware of how everything works. So if you are interested in starting Amazon Pay, once you do your research, you'll want to first set up your account. So register your Amazon account, and then 2, enable Amazon Pay. So enable Amazon Pay on your site and test by using sandbox mode to make purchases without actually processing a payment. I'm assuming that sandbox mode is similar to like the test mode that Shopify offers when you get everything up and running, just to make sure that everything is working efficiently before you go live. And then the third step is go live. So here, I'm just showing you some of their certified partners. You can kind of see Shopify at the top. So again, if you're not on Shopify, it's not too late. Here, I'm just scrolling down some of their testimonials. So some reviews from different clients. Now, I'm not saying that, Amazon Pay is going to work well for every store, and I'm not saying that it won't. All I'm saying is that you do want to do your research, and the 2 things, like I mentioned, that I make sure that I research is how the dispute process works and also how return processes work. I like making sure that, I have options. I like making sure that my customers have a seamless experience when purchasing, and I also like to make sure that customers feel comfortable buying online. Another reason that you may see a lot of abandoned cart checkouts through your online store is because customers may not feel comfortable enough to put in all of their information. So it's either they may feel like they may not feel like typing in their information, or they may not feel comfortable typing in your information. There have been websites that I've gone to and I'm like, I'm not really comfortable typing all this in. I don't really know if it's legitimate. I think it is, but I don't know. And so a lot of customers do feel confident and comfortable when they go to my website and just click PayPal and log in through PayPal and check out. because it's something that's familiar, it's something that's secure, and it's something that they've used in the past. And so just having a familiar touch on your website, in my opinion, from my experience, can definitely generate more orders and spike more sales for you. So pretty much this is the overview. Again, I just kind of wanted you to see how it would look at the top. I know it's kind of cut out, but how it would look when your customer is at checkout and they're ready to purchase. They'll have pretty much like a little option where they can click pay with Amazon Pay. And there are some online stores that literally have like 7 different payment methods and 7 different ways that you can check out. I wouldn't necessarily add every single payment method that is available to me. I would make sure that I'm doing my research like I mentioned, and I would make sure that it makes sense for my client base and for my online store. So I really hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.